I'm Tia and I'm the presenter and I'm so cool.
Akuni koe au, Akuni!
Tia, we're rolling.
Nau mai ki tēnei wahanga mō ngā kiwaha. As it happens, our first kiwaha is Akuni koe au, Akuni. And I mean that. Nannies used to say this one all the time. And actually, everyone knows it in English. You're gonna get it in a minute. I say it to my sister on a very regular basis. Mā takitaki mai. Now get out of my shop. Pass the remote. Oi, homai.
Anei. Nā!
Kia te reo homai.
Aroha mai. Anei.
Ina enei.
Ina
enei. Remote.
Anei. No!
Akuni koe iau, Akuni.
Say cheese!
Akuni koe iau, Akuni.
Poo, I already think I already got it. Nice profile pic.
Don't you dare! Nothing but my t-shirt on. Mom, have you seen my new top, the pink one?
Oh, you mean this one?
Oh my, what did you do to it? You shrunk it!
I was only trying to help.
Akuni koe iau, Akuni. Akuni koe iau, Akuni is a phrase commonly used on the East Coast. But let's relive my embarrassment just to remind you how it's used. Pass the remote. Oi, homai.
Anei. Nā!
Kia te reo homai.
Aroha mai. Anei.
Ina enei. Ina enei. Remote.
Anei. No!
Akuni koe iau, Akuni.
Say cheese!
Akuni koe iau, Akuni.
Poo, I already think I already got it. Nice profile pic.
Don't you dare! Nothing but my t-shirt on. Mom, have you seen my new top, the pink one?
Oh, you mean this one?
Oh my, what did you do to it? You shrunk it!
I was only trying to help.
Akuni koe iau, Akuni. Though highly embarrassing for me, I am a professional. And I'm happy as, that my sister could help you learn how to incorporate Akuni koe iau, Akuni into your daily life. I only hope that you don't have to use it as much as I do.
As much as I do.
Akuni koe iau, Akuni.